Christmas 24 to 25, and then 31 plus 1, just back to training. Siguro, we miss lang the feeling na playing on UAAP. Parang, yung last game namin, December, it's been parang month na eh. Tapos yung next na games namin, parang sa Indonesia. So, parang siguro, na nagkulang lang kami siguro sa parang yung feeling na naglalaro kami sa arena. Sobrang, as in, parang na-miss namin yung feeling na naglalaro kami. Siguro, yun, siguro out of focus din. Yun, one of the reason. Kasi holiday, parang siguro out of focus din.
Well, you struggled the whole game, pero you still keep on pushing. What can you say?
We're thankful, as in, we're really thankful na we win this game. Kahit ganun ka, sobrang off, as in, most of us off talaga yung game. So, hindi rin naman namin makontrol lahat talaga. Sabi nga ni Coach Tai, minsan may lucky din talaga, minsan malas din talaga. Pero, we're thankful, we're really thankful na we won this game talaga.
Ano ba? Off talaga kayo o UP played big?
Siyempre, UP played really well talaga today. Yung defense nila, hindi talaga, as in, sobrang tsaga nila, sobrang sipag nila. Hindi namamatay yung bola, kahit ano, sobrang sipag talaga nila. And siguro, ano lang, yun, yun, siyempre, UP played really well, so hindi kami agad nakapag-adjust din. So, siguro kaya ganun yung turn ng events.
Cause for concern na ba ito? Apat na laro kayong walang talo.
Yes.
Walang talong set,
Yes.
then 5 sets.
Yes, sorry.
So, cause for concern na ba? Hindi ba?
Well, every game naman, definitely may nakikitang errors, may nakikitang mali na kailangan improve pa as a team, as a player, syempre. But definitely this game would be, one of the most, siguro, memorable and pinaka-tatatak din talaga. Kasi kakabalik lang namin from the break, tapos ganito yung pinakita namin performance. Syempre, mas, siguro, hopefully, mas, kami as a team, mas i-push pa namin yung sarili namin kasi wala pang halfway eh. Papunta pa lang sa halfway. Sana maka-recover kami.
Back to back kayo, di ba? Next week.
Yes, UE and Lasal. So, ayun. We're hoping for the best. Hindi ko na alam kung bakit yung ganun yung schedule. Siguro dahil sa Indonesia na. But then, yun yung binigay sa amin, we have to face the challenge talaga. And face it, siguro we should challenge ourselves na, yun, dahil sa game na to, we should push ourselves more para mas maganda yung maging performance namin. And sana, siguro nagkaroon na ng pressure eh, syempre, makakabalik lang namin. And we really wanted to play our best, pero syempre, pag may pressure, bumibigat din as a team.
Parang tulong na rin kasi diba sa Indonesia, tatlong sunod na araw kinilala mo, diba? Parang
Yes, and ayun, it was really a great experience talaga playing sa Indonesia. We played, and siguro na nagulat lang din kami sa laro ng ibang teams doon. And parang wala, sana may natutunan kami. And sana talaga, dahil sa game na yun. And sana, syempre doon everyday din yung game. Yung mga tao, parang yung mga players kailangan maka-recover agad. Siguro ganun din kailangan namin. Yun yung natutunan namin doon. Kailangan maka-recover agad as fast as we can.
Tumigil pa kayo against UP, pero syempre mas inaabangan yung Ateneo Lasal rematch.
Siguro, we're focusing muna sa UE. And then, syempre, siguro it's hard kasi we're preparing for 2 games in a week. Kasi syempre hindi mo naman mahahati din yung oras. Pero si Coach Tai naman siguro na mababalance niya yun for us. And ano ba? Yun! We're preparing for UE and Lasal for this week. And school. Lahat na na-miss namin sa school for 2 weeks.
Alaysa, nung inalis mo yung muscle tape mo, bigla kang...
Hindi. Si Coach Tai lang yun. Kailangan mag-work eh. Kahit, kasi, wala.